Introducing good practices. Imam Muslim reported the hadith from Jarir ibn Abdullah that once some desert Arabs dressed in woolen clothes came to the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He saw their poor condition as they were obviously hard-pressed and in need. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam urged his companions to give sadaqah and help. A man from the Ansar came forward with a purse of silver, then another slowly came, then many more moved forward until I saw 2 lots of food and clothes, and until signs of happiness could be seen on the face of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thereupon the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever introduces a good practice in Islam which is followed by others, he will receive a reward equal to the reward of all the people who follow him without decreasing their reward. And whoever introduces a bad practice in Islam which is followed by others, he will be required to bear the guilt of all those who follow him without decreasing their guilt. In this hadith, Prophet ﷺ urges the Muslim to aspire to good actions which benefit the Ummah and humanity in general. These good practices are not limited to a specific field but encompass all the areas of human life. The Prophet ﷺ used to educate his followers in a balanced way, which encouraged them to act righteously and to be positive and effective. He used to do that as he would warn them against evil. It is simply not enough that one should stop doing evil. It is also necessary to do the good. As far as we are concerned, when we become more practicing or religious, we tend to be negative, emphasizing the refraining from evil, but mostly fail to aspire the positive aspects of doing good. In the aforementioned hadith text, the Prophet ﷺ called to the introduction of good practices. Then he warned sternly against introducing bad practices. The religion which the Prophet ﷺ established is an effective Islam, which calls for effective actions, not a negative version which turns Islam into a list of prohibitions and causes the people to forget the duty to do the good. Had these meanings of the courage and boldness been in the hearts of the Muslim in the past centuries and in this century as well, then our economic, social, science and political situations would have been different. We have more reason to be more successful than other nations in these fields, but the West has superseded us. We should have been the ones who invented the modern means of communication. Because of Muslims, our deen orders us to unite and to have strong links with each other. And how can the Muslims in the different parts of the world have links without the modern means of communication? The reward which Allah has promised for introducing a good practice is a great reward, which continues until the Day of Judgment, as the Prophet ﷺ explained. So, we should be eager to have his reward, and there are many ways to earn it if we but dare to think and act as Muslims should.